In this question, we are given that for a party, 3 solid cheese balls with diameters of 2, 4, and 6 inches. So let's quickly draw, these cheese balls. So if this is cheese ball 1, its diameter is 2 inches. If this is another cheese ball with diameter 4 inches. I know the diagrams do not look, as big as it should be, but I hope it conveys the point. And this is 6 inches. This is C3. They were combined to form a single cheese ball. So all of these were combined to form one single cheese ball. And we do not know the radius or the diameter here. We actually have to find that out. What was the approximate diameter in inches of the new cheese ball? So suppose I take the radius of this new cheese ball as R. Now, always remember guys, whenever you are combining anything, okay, or melting or forming that into a new shape, which is called recasting, the volume always remains same. Okay, whatever volume is there for C1, C2 and C3, that will be the same as the sum of these volumes will be the same as the volume for the one single cheese ball. Okay, so we are going to use that. We are also given the volume of a sphere. This should be 4 pi by 3 r cube. So we will have volume of C1 plus volume of C2 plus volume of C3, this to be equal to volume of C. So the only thing that we need to do here is plug in the values, which is 4 pi by 3, the volume, the radius of the first one. Okay, let's write down the radius quickly. So this is 1 inches. The radius here will be equal to, let's take that as R1, R2, 2 inches. R3 will be equal to 3 inches. So the radius will be equal to 1 in the first case. So we have 1 cube plus 4 pi by 3. We have 2 cube plus 4 pi by 3, 3 cube. Now this should be equal to 4 pi over 3 r cube, where r is the radius of the new cheese ball. Now notice that there's 4 pi by 3 common in all of the three terms on the left hand side. So instead of calculating, it makes sense that we take them common. So if we take them common, we will have 1 cube which is 1, 2 cube which is 8 and 3 cube which is 27. This to be equal to 4 pi over 3 r cube. Now notice that you can cancel out 4 pi by 3 from both sides and you will be left with the value of r cube. I'm doing steps 2 and 3 together as you just need to form an equation and equate it. So 27 plus 1 is 28 and 8 which is 36. So this is equal to 36. Now this is the value of r cube. So r will be equal to cube root of 36. But since we need the diameter of C, this will be equal to 2 multiplied by r, which is equal to 2 cube root of 36. And this matches with the answer choice E, and hence option E is the correct answer. So in such question, guys, always remember that the volume of the 3 cheese balls will always be the same as combined will be the same as the volume of the new cheese ball. And this is also applicable in questions where you are recasting anything.